This has turned into a trip of imagination. Imagine what the sunrise would look like without all the smoke. Nutella is like a fudge turd. It's not working. It's an almond butter Nutella honey bomb, I think. Because of all this smoke that's going on, I've opted not to go up into the Chilcotin Mountains and that. Just not going to be all that enjoyable with this much smoke. So I'm going to stick along the lake and have some shorter days and just kind of chill out and relax. So come along. Right beside Gun Creek Recreation Site is the old town site of Minto. This area was developed in the 20s as the mining exploration explored the valley. The local mine operated till about 1940. However, by the World War II and the invasion of Pearl Harbor, Minto City ended up becoming a Japanese-Canadian intern camp. However, after a flash flood, much of the town disappeared. The local hotel stayed operational, but eventually in 1949, after the flood, the hotel was moved to Goldbridge in 1951. Unfortunately, the hotel burned down and later was rebuilt. lake is so gorgeous, an emerald green glacial fed reservoir with substantial mountains kind of all the way along the side. and it's so smoky I can barely make out the other side of the lake, and it's not a very wide lake. Anyway, back to the pedaling. How cool is this? Ooh, little chilly. That's what I just call cruising along. Oh, that washboard's fun. I feel like a cross between Santa Claus and Homer Simpson. Fat jiggling and jingle bells jingling. Carpenter Lake, which is what we've been riding along, is a dammed reservoir. However, the dam doesn't generate any power. This lake actually drains into another lake through some tunnels that go down to Seton Lake. Little feat of engineering. Something that I started doing this year was Uncle Ben's Express rice and then some kind of packaged sauce. Most of the time they're Indian flavored. Some of them can be quite spicy, so just be careful. But the nice thing is they pack well, and then you make them up pretty easy. So let's have dinner. So add a little water to it, makes it a little bit easier when you go to warm it up. Won't burn on the bottom. There we go. You know, this would be really good with some chicken or beef. I think I'm gonna have to pack some dehydrated meats.